والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه ما بعد. Last night we spoke about as-sujud wa fadlu as-sujud, and today we want to take it to another level. We want to talk about Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli. That is hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam instructed all of us, all Muslims, to pray as he was seen praying. Kutub of Sunnah there, ahadith are there. Right min al-Quran, Salah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is demonstrated. Because Allah commanded him, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala amarahu bis salah. And then in Sunan it is detailed, and in books of fiqh, Salah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is also detailed. I want to focus on min al-akhta fi salah. Some of the mistakes that people are doing while praying. Mistakes. Why is it important? Because your salah cannot meet that requirement of sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli if you do not perform the salah adhering to shurutu salah, conditions or preconditions, prerequisites of salah, arkanu salah, pillars of salah, wajibatu salah, and also avoiding what is known as nawaqidu salah, invalidators of salah. I'm going to touch few because of the time, and it's raining, so we make dua. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'ah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us rain of benefit, beneficial rain. The first mistake is عند التكبير, التكبيرة الإحرام. Many people make that mistake. فنقول كما في الكتب التكبيرات التكبيرة تكبير يعني التكبيرات تكبيرتان. There are two types of takbirat في الصلاة. One is rukun and another one is wajib. There is takbiratul ihram. This is the first takbira through which you start your salah, you begin your salah. And any other takbira, whether going to ruku, right, or going to sujood, those are called takbiratul intiqal. Allahu Akbar when you start your salah. When you do not recite that takbira, you have no salah. You have no entire salah. لماذا? Because it is a pillar. هذا ركن. And also ta'arif, the definition of salah is ماذا ما الصلاة. If somebody asks you what is salah, what is salah? Somebody say a prayer. If somebody asks you ما الدعاء, you say a prayer. If somebody asks you ماذا تقول قبل الأكل, تقول I pray بالإنجليزي, yeah? I pray. We pray a lot. قبل الدخول الخلاء بالمرحاض. Don't we say بسم الله اللهم إني أعوذ بك. Don't we pray? So we pray. لكن ما الصلاة? We say صلاة is يعني أفعال وأقوال أقوال وأفعال مبتدأة بالتكبير مختتمة بالتسليم. أقوال وأفعال مخصوصة مبتدأة بالتكبير مختتمة بالتسليم. These are specific words and actions that begins with takbiratul ihram and ends with taslim. So the first mistake, you are coming in salah, watajidu al-imam fi ruku. What do you do? What do you do? Many people don't make takbirah. They come, Allahu Akbar. You are not in salah. You are not in salah. If you follow imam like that until the end, until taslim, you have no salah. You know why? Because of two mistakes. The first one, you did not complete what is called rukn, a pillar. And what is number 2? You did not begin your salah. So how are you going to end your salah if you did not begin your? And there is a hadith where Rasulullah directed us that when you begin your salah, fakabbiru, he say, begin with takbiratul. I'm moving quickly. The second mistake is inda qira'atil fatiha. I'm asking myself, and inshallah I'm going to do it tonight. I want to review my qira'atu suratul fatiha, my own. Suratul fatiha hiya ruknun min arkani salah. Rasulullah said, La salata liman lam yaqra bi fatihatil kitab. It means that if you stand in salah and you recite the whole Quran, the whole, min al-Baqarah ila al-Nas, wa lam taqra madha al-Fatiha, you have no salah. Did you understand that? Now, the mistake is not reciting it. Also, one of the opinions of Imam Shafi'i, Muhammad ibn Idris, not me, original one. He stresses on, if you recite Surah Al-Fatiha with mistakes, you have no salah. So there is Adamu Qira'ati Madha Al-Fatiha, but also making mistakes when you are doing what? Please fix your Al-Fatiha. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmani Rahim, Malik Yawmiddin. You are singing Quran. You are not reciting Al-Fatiha. And especially people who put, there are 2 types of car. There is standard and there is manual and what? Standard, eh? Automatic. There are people who put that speed and they go, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Malik Yawmiddin, you have no salah. A very common mistake. Wa ana as'alu nafsi. Somebody, you want to see them like on Jummah. Or even now, from tomorrow you will see. So you sit, and the brother comes, you came a little bit early. And the brother comes and he performs tahiyyatul. You help me. Billahi alaykum. You help me. He is here, and then he said, no. Within no minute, he's sitting down. He's breathing like this. Where did he recite Al-Fatiha? This person is called Asariq. He's a thief, a robber. According to hadith of Rasulullah, maybe we continue tomorrow, right? Because of Taraweeh. I have many points. We need to talk about akhta of Salah. I'm not going to keep you longer. We want to talk about this. I promise we are not going to prolong this. Subhanakallah wa bihamdih.